While speaking to reporters on Wednesday, the leader of the opposition in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and also Congress MDC Ronnie V Lyngdoh voiced his perspective on the recent coalition between the TMC and the Indian National Congress in West Bengal. Expressing his views on the matter, Lyngdoh raised doubts about the TMC's denial of their involvement in seat-sharing discussion in West Bengal, a state boasting approximately 42 Lok Sabha seats. He juxtaposed this with the situation in Meghalaya, where the Indian National Congress holds only 2 Lok Sabha seats, one each in Shillong and the Garo Hills.
You see, compared to West Bengal, which has about 42 seats, Lok Sabha seats, Meghalaya has only 2 seats. So, if they say that, we went ahead and declare in Meghalaya, that's why TMC is not willing to work with us. Why don't they declare that they've come to an agreement, seat sharing in West Bengal? You see, now they don't want to work with the Congress. So we'd like to question TMC leaders. Have you got some understanding with the BJP? Is there a secret understanding between the TMC and the BJP to prevent consolidation of votes? People who would like to see a secular democratic country like India defeat BJP, which is communal, which is trying to polarize the people on so many issues. Now let us put that question. Why doesn't TMC, who is part of the India bloc, come to an understanding and come to a seat sharing in West Bengal? If they had done that in West Bengal, perhaps we could have done it in Meghalaya too. Or is there some understanding between the BJP and TMC so that, votes get divided, opposition votes get divided and benefits the BJP. How does it benefit the TMC by not working with the India bloc, with the Congress? Or is it to benefit the BJP? To ensure that, apparently to appear, TMC and BJP do not have any understanding, but facts state otherwise. Okay, because now the BJP understands very clearly West Bengal has a sizable number of minority votes. So if they come together, all the minority votes will get consolidated in the parties belonging to the India bloc. So there is much more, hidden behind all this. Just to blame Meghalaya, which has only 2 seats, and West Bengal has 42 seats. If 2 seats are so important to TMC, and the 42 seats are not important, I think speaks volumes of their double standards.
Commenting on the recent pledge by the Chief Minister regarding Meghalaya's exemption from the enforcement of the Citizenship Amendment Act, Ronnie V Lyngdoh emphasized that unless this assurance is formally documented, the public will remain skeptical about its validity.
We will feel more reassured if that, is part and parcel of the rules in the CA. Just by mere, making statement, I don't think we can be so reassured that it will not be implemented. Let us see in the rules that they frame that 6 scheduled areas are exempted, then we will believe. The rules, they've framed the rules, so we would like to see the rules. Unless we see in black and white, we cannot take anything for granted.